Hi viewers, good morning everyone. How are you all doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. How is your side? How is your area? I hope you are doing wonderful. Good. Is it raining in your side though? Here it's raining in my side though. Since morning has been raining. I wanted to go and do wave view, but I just begged my husband, I just pleaded with him to drop me to IG. Yeah, just finish sending the parcel to the owners. So wherever you're watching me from, if you want to order something from me, don't be afraid. Okay, we ship worldwide, we ship anywhere, be it spiritual product, be it herbal medicine, we can ship it down to you. Yeah. So guys, today I just decided to make a video concerning those that are having some kind of mental illness, mental imbalance. If you have a child that is suffering from such thing, and it seems like the prescribed drugs they prescribe for that child is not really giving you what you want, and the child is still behaving abnormal. You know, when someone begins to develop mental illness, as in you gonna behave somehow, and you know what they understand, or maybe you are the type that always forgets something. You want to go and do something. No, you have already scheduled your time. This is what you want to go and do, and before you know it, you forget it. This particular recipe can equally help you to control that. It will help you to stop that. Okay, for those who always forget something, you are an old woman, you're up to 60, 80 something, your brain is not really remembering something again, or maybe you're a young lady here, you're a young man, or maybe you're a student, you don't have this retentive memory, your brain is not that sharp, you always forget something, you always forget things easily. Now this particular recipe can as well help you. Or you know someone that's suffering from mental problem or mental illness, and the prescribed drugs they have prescribed the person is not helping the person. Each day by day it goes worse. Now this particular recipe I'm about to share with you is going to help that person a lot to do what, to stop that. This is a confirmed recipe. Yes, it is a look at this woman. Let me say hi. Say hi to the family. Say hi. So it's going to help you a lot to retain your memory, like your memory will be sharp like that of this girl, you know, that of the stage. So if you want to know what we are going to be using on this particular recipe, then keep on watching. And if you're just joining my face for the first time, and you don't know what this platform or this family is all about, this family is all about teaching people on how to use natural ingredients to solve some of your spiritual problem, and as well how you can use leaves, roots, and then seed to solve some of your health challenges. Okay, so if you are just watching me, please, after this video, do not forget to turn on your notification bell and then hit that red button that says subscribe showing on your screen. It's going to help you a lot to be always getting my video whenever I upload a new video. So to eradicate mental illness, like to stop it gradually, this process, remember, it is herbs. So to stop it from occurring in your life, this is what you need to do. Get this seed. This seed, I don't joke with it. Get this seed. This is called wonderful cola. I know that a lot of people must have heard about it. A lot of you must have heard about this wonderful cola. This wonderful cola, it is what the name is. Wonderful cola. It is actually wonderful cola. Whenever I am preparing herbal medicine, any type of herbal medicine, be it fibroid, be it infection, be it malaria, be it typhoid, be it malaria, any type Be it for conception, yes, I normally add this into my herbal medicine preparation. So, but in this video, we are not making any herbal preparation, but I'm going to show how you can use it and one other ingredient again to solve mental imbalance, to regain your insanity. I don't know if you're getting me. So to do that, you need this wonderful color. You need it fresh one, 3 pieces. Then you need original honey. Do not go and get a Dobino or sugar cane. Get original honey. If you don't know where to order original honey, I sell it and it's very affordable. It's very good. You like it, get it. Then get your spice called thyme. There's a spice called thyme that you use on your daily cooking. Use it in making stews, use it in making pepper soup, you use it in making jollof rice, use it in cooking. Get it. All right, all you have to do is to do this. Blend this, cut it into a tiny chunk, blend it into a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can just pound it. Just pound it. After pounding, guys, after pounding, add your thyme. Pound your thyme, or you blend it as well. Then transfer everything into an empty jar. Now pour on your honey. Pour on your honey. Okay, if your honey is saved in a 75 cl of container, divide it into 2. Pour half inside your mixture, inside the mixture of this wonderful color that I just showed you, and then your thyme, and then lick it 3 times in a day. Early in the morning when you wake up from the sleep, you lick it before meal. In the afternoon, you lick it before meal, and in the night, last thing in the night. Okay, and I'll tell you, if you continue doing it constantly, guys, you're going to be having an amazing results. When I mean amazing result that you like, so all this kind of natural cure, it is available for this kind of a thing, and then you are wasting your money in a psychiatrist hospital, you are wasting your money in a prescribed drugs. You're going to like this particular remedy. And if you're the type that always have dull brain, like your brain is not sharp, like you don't remember things easily, you always forget something easily, this recipe will also help you. Okay, so guys, that's it, just the end of the video for today. For those who want to order for my products, is this spiritual product they want to order, is this herbal medicine they want to order, then I am going to be dropping my number. But before I do that, I'll also call my number, which is 090-59825779, 090-59825779. So beloved, that's it, just the end of the video for today. See you on my next episode. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.